actually you can, okay, this is just an idea. When you want to do things, and maybe you want to automate a sequence of commands. You don't want to keep doing them. You want to automate them. You can put them in a file. Okay, use appropriate commands. You can set them in different shells, different terminals, and they will run. This is what I did in this one. You see, when I run it, it opens a new shell. In a run the function, in a feed the function. You see hapa si type. In a feed is a function, in automate, inafanya, ina iterate, ina run. Ikimaliza, this is even when it may set. Ikimaliza naniambia okay, ina sleep for 8 seconds, then it will close the terminal. So you can close. You can automate. You can create script. You can create a script to send different jobs in different shells, or even in different sessions, different TTY. For example, if a user is logged in a different on a server, of course atapewa TTY yake. You can send jobs, you can send commands up, and something to do. Anyway, that's just by the way. I hope you've gotten something. Thank you. Have a good time.